Hi Achievers! Doesn't it feel like Russian adjectives have way too many endings? It's true, adjective endings do change based on gender. And today we'll figure out exactly what to do. Свитер or sweater is a noun of masculine gender, and it goes with the adjective большой, with ой at the end. A big sweater is большой свитер. Next we have шапка or hat. Шапка is of feminine gender, and we use it with the adjective большая, with ая at the end. A big hat is большая шапка. If we have a noun of neuter gender, like пальто or coat, we need to use it with большое, with ое at the end. A big coat is большое пальто. Let's review what we've learned. A big sweater is большой свитер. Свитер is masculine, so we use большой with ой at the end. Большая шапка is a big hat. Шапка is of feminine gender, so we use ая at the end of большая. Большая шапка. Большое пальто is a big coat. Пальто is of neuter gender, so we use большое with ое at the end. Большое пальто. You can see that adjective big has three forms. Большой for masculine gender, большая for feminine gender, and большое for neuter gender. Let's fill in the blanks. Do you remember what is used with свитер or sweater? Большой, большая, or большое. Свитер is of masculine gender, so we use it with the adjective большой. Большой свитер. What about шапка? Do we use it with большой, большая, or большое? Шапка is of feminine gender, so we need to use it with большая, with ая at the end. Большая шапка. Do you remember what goes with пальто or coat? Большой, большая, or большое. Пальто is of neuter gender, so we need to use большое with пальто. Большое пальто. Now let's translate from English into Russian. How would you say a big hat in Russian? Большая шапка. Excellent. What about a big coat? Большое пальто. And a big sweater? Большой свитер. Well done. Do you remember what ending goes with шапка? It's ая, большая. What about пальто? It's ое, большое. And свитер? Большой, with ой at the end. So we have большая шапка, большой свитер, and большое пальто. Good job, Achievers! You're on your way to conquering Russian adjectives. If you want to keep going, click on the video above.